1945. December 5th. 2:10 p.m. Florida. 5 torpedo bombers of the U.S. Navy took off for a routine training mission. 14 crew members. 3 hours of flight time. Nothing special. They called it Flight 19. The weather was clear. The pilots were experienced. Everything was normal. But 2 hours into the flight, something went terribly wrong. The squadron leader reported his compass had stopped working. Then the backup compass failed too. His last radio transmission was chilling. "We don't know which way is west. Everything looks wrong." After that, silence. All 5 planes vanished. No wreckage, no bodies, no explanation. That same night, a rescue plane with 13 crew members took off and also disappeared. The area where these planes vanished is known today as the Bermuda Triangle. Over the last century, more than 100 aircraft and 3,000 ships have disappeared here, without a trace. So what's really going on? Is it aliens, a sea monster, or something far more ordinary? Today, we're going to solve the mystery once and for all. Let's start at the beginning. 1918, World War I. The USS Cyclops, one of the largest and fastest ships in the US Navy, set sail from Brazil to Baltimore. On board, 306 people and 11,000 tons of manganese ore. The ship never sent a distress signal. It never reported bad weather. It simply vanished. No debris was ever found. No bodies, no oil slick. To this day, it's the single largest non-combat loss of life in US Navy history. Then, an even stranger story emerged from the archives. A ship called the Ellen Austin. The Ellen Austin was traveling from London to New York. Near the Bermuda Triangle, the captain spotted a derelict ship, fully intact but completely empty. No crew, no passengers. But all cargo was in place. The captain sent some of his own men to sail the empty ship. For 2 days, both ships sailed together. Then a violent storm hit. When the skies cleared, the empty ship was gone. They found it drifting a few miles away, but the crew he'd sent aboard had vanished too. The captain tried again. More men, same storm, same result. He abandoned the ship and sailed away. This story became legend. But is it true? The mystery of the Bermuda Triangle goes back even further. In 1492, Christopher Columbus sailed through this area on his first voyage to the New World. He wrote in his diary that his compass stopped working. And one night, he saw a ball of fire fall from the sky into the ocean. He was terrified. Was it a meteor, a UFO, or something else? Columbus didn't know, but he marked the area as strange. By the 1960s, the Bermuda Triangle had become a global sensation. Books, movies, documentaries, all claiming something supernatural was happening. But here's the question. What caused these disappearances? Conspiracy theorists had plenty of answers. Aliens, the lost city of Atlantis, sea monsters, even a secret government base. But let's look at real science. There are 4 plausible explanations, and the truth is actually more interesting than fiction. Theory 1. Magnetic anomalies. Earth has 2 north poles, geographic and magnetic. In some places, they align on what's called an agonic line. For centuries, the agonic line passed through the Bermuda Triangle. That could cause compasses to point to true north instead of magnetic north, confusing navigators. Theory 2. Methane hydrates. Under the ocean floor, trapped methane can erupt, creating giant bubbles. These bubbles lower water density, causing ships to sink instantly. In 2016, scientists from the University of Colorado found something even stranger. Hexagon-shaped clouds above the Bermuda Triangle. They act like air bombs, creating 170 miles per hour winds that can flip planes. Theory 3. Rogue waves. The Bermuda Triangle sits at the intersection of 3 major weather systems. Waves can reach 100 feet, high enough to swallow a ship before it can send a distress signal. But here's the truth that no movie will tell you. The Bermuda Triangle is not the most dangerous place in the ocean. It's not even in the top 10. Lloyd's List, the world's leading shipping publication, tracked every ship lost in the Bermuda Triangle. Out of 8,634 vessels that passed through, only 2 had unknown causes. To put that in perspective, 1.8% of ships worldwide sink due to unknown causes. In the Bermuda Triangle, it's less than 0.02%. That's statistically insignificant. The U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration states clearly, there is no evidence that mysterious disappearances occur more frequently in the Bermuda Triangle than in any other well-traveled area of the ocean. So why does the Bermuda Triangle have such a scary reputation? That's where psychology comes in. It's called the frequency illusion. Remember when you bought a new phone or a car and suddenly started seeing it everywhere? It was always there. You just didn't notice it before. Same thing here. Once the area became famous in the 1960s, people blamed the triangle for everything. It's exactly like Flight 914. People created wild stories about time travel, but when you look at the facts, it was just a myth. There's a similar area near Japan called the Dragon Triangle. Over 75 ships and planes have vanished there, but you've probably never heard of it. Why? Because Hollywood didn't make movies about it. The Bermuda Triangle is a classic urban legend, a story that grew with each telling. The Ellen Austin incident? Most historians believe it never happened. No official records exist. It was likely made up to sell magazines. So what really happened to Flight 19? The Navy's official report blamed pilot error. The lead pilot's compass failed, he got disoriented, and the planes ran out of fuel in bad weather. The rescue plane? It likely exploded due to a fuel leak. A passing ship saw a fireball that night. No mystery, just tragedy. The Bermuda Triangle is heavily trafficked. Thousands of ships and planes pass through daily. Hurricanes are common. The Gulf Stream creates sudden storms, and shallow waters hide sandbars. Add human error, and accidents happen. The Bermuda Triangle is not a supernatural death trap. It's a busy, stormy, shallow stretch of ocean. And the only thing that's truly mysterious is why we keep believing the stories. The good news? There's no need to be afraid. Thousands of flights and cruises cross the Bermuda Triangle every year, safely. Here's my challenge to you. Next time you hear a scary story, whether it's the Bermuda Triangle or something else, ask for evidence. Check the source. Don't let mystery mongering replace facts. Comment below. What's the biggest mystery you've ever researched? Did you find a scientific answer? I'll read every single one. If you enjoyed this deep dive, subscribe for more mysteries solved. Share this video with someone who still believes in sea monsters. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.